In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Navigator in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or refreshing your knowledge, knowing how to efficiently navigate through your project is essential. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you can confidently access and utilize the Navigator tool in no time. First, let's begin by logging into your Webflow account. Head over to the Webflow website, enter your login credentials, and sign in. This is your gateway to the Webflow dashboard, where all your projects are housed. Once you've successfully logged in, the dashboard will display a list of all your sites and projects. Next, let's proceed to your Webflow dashboard. This is essentially your control center, providing you with access to all your projects. Navigate through your list of sites, and when you see the website you wish to work on, go ahead and select it. Opening your project will take you straight to the Webflow Designer, the heart of Webflow where all the magic happens. This is where you'll create and design your website, so it's key to familiarize yourself with its various tools and functions. Once you're in the Designer, your next task is to locate the Navigator icon within the left toolbar. This toolbar is packed with essential tools that will help you build your site efficiently. The Navigator icon is your focus today, and it plays a crucial role in managing the structure and hierarchy of your site elements. You'll find the Navigator icon as the third icon from the top in the toolbar. It's typically depicted as a list or some form of hierarchical structure, according to common Webflow indicators. This design helps you visualize the layers and positioning of your website's components. It is a vital tool for keeping track of various elements and how they relate visually and structurally within your layout. After locating the Navigator icon, simply click on it to either open or close the Navigator panel. This panel allows you to see the structure of your page, showing all elements in a clear hierarchy. Having this clear view can significantly streamline how you manage and organize your site. If you ever need to tweak or rearrange elements, this panel makes it easy to drag and drop items, ensuring that everything fits perfectly into place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only opened the Navigator in Webflow, but you've also enhanced your understanding of its function and importance in web design. Mastering the use of tools like the Navigator can greatly enhance your workflow and efficiency within Webflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.